In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fold this origami Joker, one of my latest designs. It goes well with my other design, Origami Batman. You can find this on one of my other videos. And so let's get started. Start with a 6-inch green piece of paper. Start with the green side up. We're going to make some diagonal folds. So what we're trying to make is what's called a fish base. Okay, now you have what's called a fish base. So we're going to unfold it, and we're just going to make a few more folds, and then we'll go back to that. So bring the paper down to the center, and just make a small mark fold. Unfold it, bring the bottom up to that mark fold, and crease it right to these two creases. Now, take the paper like this and bring this top all the way down to where it meets the 2 points. Okay, unfold the paper and let's go back to the fish base. So now turn the model over, and this crease here, I'm going to fold it up. Now on this middle crease, we're going to use that as a guide. We're going to fold the paper down right along it. Just like that. Okay, unfold this and turn the model over. Now we're going to work on the eyes for a little bit. I'll zoom in a little bit. So take a point here, and you'll see these two. You see a line here, a line here. Well, this is midpoint. Well, we want to go just a little bit above it. So make a crease about like that. Bring the paper in to where it lines up with this. Somewhere about like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Now take the point and fold it over to about like that. Do the same thing on the other side. If you like my face origami styles, this Joker and Batman, I've got a lot more. I've got Captain America, Iron Man, and I might be coming out with some different ones. I may eventually go into Star Wars, we'll see. But now just bring the paper down here and just want to make sure you get a good solid crease. Okay, now we're going to make a fold from right there to a little bit above here, about straight. So fold the paper up and just start to fold it there. Bring it up a little more, just to where you make a little bit of a slide there, just like that. Now unfold a little bit of the paper back here. Like that. Okay, now we've got the eyes done. So next we're going to work on the mouth. So bring the paper up, fold it on this crease here. Now pinch the paper in the middle and bring this crease to meet the bottom crease. Just like that. Now bring this down and we're going to make a fold here and a fold here. Okay, now just bring the paper up and flatten it. Now bring it down, bring it flush with the eyes, like that. Down again, and let's see. Fold it like this. Paper so it's like that. Now fold it in half again and bring it to like that. But now we're going to fold this up right to here. Do the same thing on the other side. So bring the paper over just like that. I'm going to zoom in a little more. So now we're just going to flatten this part. Oops. Sorry this is taking so long. I should have practiced a little more. But you get the idea. So there's a Joker smile. So now we're gonna work on the hair. I'm gonna back it up a little bit. Take this point and bring it down all the way to where it just meets the base of the eyes. Flatten it there, crease it. Okay, now bring that up, and now we're going to make a crease from that point to about right here. and just fold along this whole crease. And just like that. So now we're going to take this side and fold it over just so we have a point. And about like that. The same thing on the other side. Zoom in just a little more so you can get a clear look at that. See that? And so now we're going to make a fold about along this line. See how that comes out. So bring it down. Just want the point to come down a little bit past the ear. Just like that. Okay. So now we're going to do some shaping. So we're going to make a mountain fold right along here. Just like that. We'll see how that looks. Good. Yep. Prettiest looking thing. There's several ways to do it. They all look a little bit different sometimes, but I think you get the idea. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot of videos coming out. And stay tuned. So thank you for watching this. I hope you liked it. Bye bye.